you, homie.
Midwestern cowboy. Women love the almond joy. Meet Audrey McDonald and McDonald's.
McDonald.
I make lima beans and hard rolls. Sitting in the pickup truck
Thank you,
watching
Buckley.
Godzilla on DVD.
Shout out to Garlic
A
Boy.
Monster Zero. Philadelphia cheesesteak. I supply pack house with Hoagie Heroes. Ride around organic. 6-time Tony.
Can we get to the fucking song already? God damn it, dude. I wanna dance. I can't dance to this. This is like that fucking, that goddamn rinky dink. Like fucking like, woo. Fucking retarded shit. I'm just talking shit. I'm sorry. Woo. Do I need to go get my piggy? I'm the best piggy. That's the song? Oh my god. I thought there was a drop, homie. Ole, what up, burrito head? Cheers, homie. It's a troll. You get me all worked up for nothing. Let me go get my goddamn pig.
Chocolate, cage-free eggs, $100 food on the bar. When we make science make sense. Cajun country fried chicken or baked whiskey. I recommend after a day in the field. Harvesting corn, unicorn. You probably watch porn in the barn with Dolly Parton, excuse me. The Milky Way, milky cows like a farmer, wild child.
Milky motherfucking cows. This is the fucking, the country cowboy version of Ram Ranch, it sounds like. The